Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial and I'll be showing you how you can fix your Instagram video calling not working on your device. So all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. For example, let's say that if you're not able to video chat a certain person, and then you can see in the top right corner of your screen there is the video call icon. Now if you tap on it and you're not able to call them or you're not able to contact them, so the first reason might be that you haven't updated the application. So in order to update your application, you have to open your Play Store application, and once you open up your Play Store, on the search box type in Instagram, and next instead of open, if you have update, which means that the update is available and you need to update the application for the latest feature. So then after updating your application, you might be able to fix your issue. Now that is also not a proper solution, so the other thing what you can do is just simply long press on your Instagram application, and after that tap on app info. After you tap on app info, next scroll down and then tap on permission. So right over here you'll have to make sure that all of these features are enabled. So in order to enable them, all you have to do is just simply tap on it. After you tap on it, next you'll have to tap on allow. Once you enable all of your feature, after that what you have to do is you'll have to go back once again. Now instead of permission, you'll have to tap on storage, which is right on top. After you tap on storage, just tap on clear cache, which is right at the bottom, and after you tap on clear cache, you might also want to tap on clear data. After you tap on clear data, you'll be logged out of your device, so you'll have to log in once again, and after following all of these methods, you might be able to fix your issue. And in case if you're still unable to fix it, then the last option what you can do is you can simply restart your device. Restarting your device might be able to fix your issue at once. So that is how you can fix Instagram video call not working problem on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.